Hola, Drew.
All right, well, hello everyone out in YouTube land. I have two lovely Vietnamese women and we are going to do two special things. One thing actually, we are going to make some special
Coffee
traditional
with milk.
coffee with milk, but like
Yes.
special milk.
Yes.
Because everybody knows like cafe au lait, like regular
Yes.
coffee and milk. And also we are going to make some spring rolls. So Vietnamese spring rolls, which I also really like. Now very quickly, about coffee for myself, like I hate coffee.
But?
Yeah, but I came to Vietnam and they introduced me to Vietnamese coffee and I was blown away. This expression, like I was really impressed.
Yes.
Very delicious and very sweet. So, what's your name?
Hello, my name is
V.
V-Y. V-Y.
V-Y.
Yes.
V-Y. And this is?
And my name Huế. Hello everybody.
This is Huế and this is VY, and so you have seen both of them before in this video or maybe a different one, but so you want to teach me how to make Vietnamese coffee.
Yes. Sure. First, you should put condensed milk in the cup like this.
Okay.
If you will have me.
So this is condensed milk. So to
Yes.
condense something means to like press it together.
Yeah.
Oh no, we have a
No.
phone call. Okay, so you can come in closer. Look at that.
Continue.
So what do we do
put
next?
coffee inside here.
Okay.
Continue.
Yep.
After I put in a little coffee,
So a little coffee. How much coffee do you put in there?
2 bowl.
Okay, so 2 spoonfuls of coffee. Wow. 1.
2.
Okay, and then we shake it a little bit
Yes.
like this so it's even. Wow. So really look in there, we're going to kind of press the coffee down, really pack it
Yeah.
tightly.
Press a little bit,
Yep.
not too much.
Okay.
And here is the hot water.
Uh-huh. Ah.
Just a little bit water.
Okay,
not
so you can
too
see
much.
in the top.
And put a cover to keep it hot.
Okay. And now look down here. You can see the coffee is dripping.
Brown.
Drip, drip, drip,
Dripping.
drip. Yep. So we call this like drip coffee. Okay. So we will leave the coffee here
Yes.
and we can move on to.
Another dish.
Yeah. So please tell me first, we've got all these ingredients here. What do we have?
Look at this.
Mhm.
We have mushroom.
Mushroom.
I cut the mushroom in a small bit like this.
Uh-huh.
And carrots, I cut it like this.
Mhm.
And this is sweet jam.
Yam.
Yam.
Yam. Yes. Yam. So like a sweet potato.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And this is green bean, but inside it look yellow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
With
the
a layer
outside, sure.
outside.
The outside is green and
Yeah.
the inside is yellow.
Next we will have to mix it.
So we take the beans, the mushrooms. These are
Yes.
just chopped mushrooms.
Yes.
How do you cook these? Do you boil them?
No, this is fresh. All of them is fresh.
Oh, so it's not cooked.
Yes.
Oh, really? None of this is cooked yet.
Yes.
Okay.
When I put inside
Uh-huh.
a little bit sugar.
So some sugar.
Yeah. Sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
A little bit.
And what's this?
salt.
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 So this can be tricky. We've got the
Yeah.
salt and the sugar.
Yeah. Salt and sugar.
And this is a traditional Vietnamese dish?
Yeah, but for vegetarian.
Uh-huh. So
Yes,
for
only.
vegetarian.
Yeah,
Very good. Now this is
vegetarian.
where you've been practicing a lot with me
Yes.
while I'm here. Vegetarian, the person
Yes.
that only eats vegetables.
And look this different.
Sure.
Yeah.
So this is the cooked. It's,
Yeah,
it's
it
like
will cook.
sautéed.
Yeah.
You like just like fry it quickly with a little oil.
Yes. And now
And these are what?
rice paper.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. One kind of taste made from rice. Like
Oh
this.
wow, there's like a design on that.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Miss we will have first to roll.
All right, very good. So what is this?
Water.
Water, okay. Water.
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 It's
You need
made by
water
dry
to cook
paper.
it.
It's water.
Okay.
Soft. If you don't use water, when you roll, it's right like this.
Ah, I see. So it's brittle.
Yes.
You know the word brittle?
No.
So brittle means it like easily
Right.
cracks like
Yeah.
this. Brittle. B-R-I-T-T-L-E. But remember that D sound that blends
Yeah.
together. Brittle.
Brittle.
Brittle. So it's brittle. Or like your hair, like it
Yeah.
cracks easily. My hair is brittle.
Brittle.
So we are going to make it soft.
Soft.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how much do you put on here? Like
Depend
one-
on you.
Oh,
If
really?
you want to do a big one, you put more, and
Uh-huh.
a small one, just 1 spoon. It's
Oh,
okay.
okay. All right. So this is for you. You will enjoy this one. The
No,
small.
no, I think that is for you.
Oh,
not
for me.
Miss
For
B.
me. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay. So you fold it like that.
Yes.
And you roll it tightly.
Yeah,
Ah,
totally.
really? Now this is kind of like Mexican food.
Yeah.
For Mexican food, you have like a corn
Yes.
thing like that. Oh, okay. And you eat it like raw, like that?
No.
You-
Miss,
you
we will
fry
do some more, and we will over there and cook it.
Okay. All right. Now I'm going to
Yeah.
yes, I'm going to sit down like I'm at a lovely Vietnamese restaurant. So we have everything. Really, it was just coffee and condensed milk.
Yes.
But very delicious Vietnamese coffee.
Yes.
And I think I put maybe like a little too much
Yes.
condensed milk. It was my first time. I'm sorry about that. But okay. So we have just a cup of ice, and we're going to pour the coffee in that. See what we get. Let me stir it up.
Enjoy your coffee.
All right, now I will give my coffee a try from your beautiful coffee shop.
How do you feel?
Oh, it's like a little too sweet.
Yeah.
That's my fault.
Yes.
But now I've had this like every day in Vietnam, and I feel sad. I will leave Vietnam, and I like won't have the beautiful sitting outside, have a coffee in the morning. Maybe in Japan I will do that. But you want to try it? Well, here, try it. It's maybe like a little too sweet, but give it a try.
Sweet.
So you are a professional.
Just you want, but
Okay.
you put more.
Well, this one it
This is
wasn't.
your fault, not my fault.
I know. I'm sorry. She's gonna yell at me in Vietnamese over here, but I'm happy. I have a sweet tooth. I love sweet things. So that's it for the coffee, and then we will come back in just a second for the rest of the food that we have here, our spring roll. All right, well now everything is all prepared and looking fantastic. All the delicious food here. We've got some beef and the spring rolls and some more things that we can make to make some other like wraps over here. This is a special birthday celebration.
Yes.
So Que's husband here, and we're actually going to enjoy some Japanese beer. I couldn't believe it. Look at that.
Yeah.
You sing happy birthday, or you sing like a Vietnamese song? What's like happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Yeah.
Vietnamese.
Okay, sing the Vietnamese version.
Miss me hả?
Yeah.
Miss me.
Mừng ngày sinh nhật của anh, mừng ngày sinh nhật của anh, mừng ngày đó anh sinh ra đời. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, very nice, very nice. All right, well, I want him to try, and we have some.
Cheese.
Now, what do we say? In
Yo.
Mo hai ba yo.
Yo.
All right, and since we have Japanese beer, kampai. Very good.
Enjoy.
All right, well, we are going to enjoy our food. and we will say goodbye to everyone else over here. You want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Yes, everyone come to Vietnam. All right, last look at the food. Bye bye. All right, well that's the end of this trip. How do you feel?
I feel it's interesting. I learned a lot of words, a lot of phrases, and the way how to learn English freshly.
Very good, very good. Well, it's been another fantastic trip, and we have some nice weather.
Yes.
For my flight back home. I'm very lucky.
Yes, 5 days. The weather is very good.
I know, amazing. The weather was very good, and we can also say thank you. Do you want to say your name? What's your name?
My name is Daisy.
Daisy. So this is her dog.
Say bye, Daisy.
Daisy, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.